All right, y'all. So if you decided to start your Forex journey and you looking for a way to make some extra funds, but you still work a 9 to 5, I'm going to tell you how you can start to learn to trade Forex while you still have a 9 to 5. Not only should you learn how to trade Forex while you have a 9 to 5, you should not leave your 9 to 5 until you are profitable in Forex, like a proven track record. Okay? All right, so when you trying to learn how to trade Forex, stick to 1 to 2 pairs. When looking for those pairs, make sure that when you looking for those pairs, you know what time frame you like to be up, because the sessions that you like to be up need to be in correlation with those pairs so that you're not sleeping at the time that the market is making moves. As a beginner trader, I feel like that is a lot of the times why beginning traders miss trades, because they're not up at the time that the market is moving. And then you want to set like these buy limits and sell limits for the market to just, take you in when it gets to that zone. But I'm not a buy limit or a sell limit type of girl. Like, I like to be visually in the market at the time that price comes to my zone, because for one, it makes you more disciplined. It makes you more disciplined in your trading. And then you waiting on those patterns to set up versus price getting you in and then you in drawdown, wondering why you in drawdown, because price is not done printing, it's patterned. So definitely early in your journey, stick to 1 to 2 pairs. Go through all the pairs, see which ones you like based on the time frame that you like to be up, and then stick to 1 to 2 pairs. For me, like, I really only trade one pair, and that one pair for me is gold. I love gold down. I feel like it's so volatile. It's so volatile to the point where you can catch an insane amount of pips in 1 week or in 1 month if you just trade that pair alone. And I feel like Forex pairs, they move a little too slow. And that kind of takes me into my next one, which is know what type of trader you are. Figure out if you are a scalper, if you are a swing trader, or an intraday trader. If you're going to be a scalper, scalpers are in and out of the market within 30 minutes to an hour. If you're an intraday trader, you're probably going to be in your trade between 4 hours to 24 hours intraday. If you're a swing trader, you're somebody who's going to be in trades for days till indefinitely. So find out what type of trader you want to be, and based on what type of trader that you want to be realistic with the amount of pips that you are going to see in a day. Ooh-wee. I'm talking to somebody. I know it. I feel it. I'm talking to somebody. Know how many pips you are going to catch based on what segment of pairs you are going to be trading in a day. Baby, this is one of the hardest things to learn. If you are trading Forex pairs, do not be expecting them Forex pairs to be moving 200 pips a day. They're not. They are not going to move that fast. Forex pairs are going to move between 50 and 80 pips a day. Now, they are going to have some days. They're going to have some days where they moving. Okay? They going to be moving. But majority of the time, y'all, Forex pairs are going to be moving 50 to 80 pips a day. Now, when you're looking at metals and indices and cryptos, those pairs can move upwards to 200 pips or more in a day. So be very mindful on the segment of pairs that you choose to trade, because that can let you know when the market is exhausted. When those candles get to looking funny, and you can start to calculate, okay, When did the move begin? When did I get in at? And so how much potential does the market realistically have to move today? Okay? That is a really big one to understand, y'all. Like, don't overdo it. Don't think that the market is going to give you more than it can realistically move in one day. Like, don't cheat yourself, because that's when you get in those moves that are winning, and then all of a sudden you in drawdown. You was just up $1,000, and then now all of a sudden you in drawdown. How, Sway? How? It makes no sense. So be realistic about what you're going to see in a day. So after you being realistic about what you're going to see in a day, know what you need to see before you get in a trade. Know what you need to see before you get in a trade. Okay? That's going to help you contain the capital that you already have. Okay? It's going to help you keep on to the capital that you already have. And when you get into a trade, make sure you have more than one confluence to be in it. You need minimum 3 confluences to get in a trade. Okay? And this is all while you trading your this is all while working the 9 to 5. These is things that y'all need to keep in mind while working the 9 to 5, because it's how much money you make in the market depends on what you know in the resources that you use at your disposal. So use the resources at your disposal that you have. And so if you only have $100 to trade in this market, take that $100 and trade it vigilantly, because you can really compound an account to so much money with patience. Do most people compound $100 to $1 million? No. They blow counts along the way. They have to start over, and that's the reality of trading. But if you are consistent along your journey, you will get to the point where you don't have to blow your account to know that you need to stop trading today. You will get to the point where you need to stop trading this pair, or it's going to be detrimental on your account, with consistency. So don't be hard on yourself. And I feel like I got a little off track too, because the main topic is how to trade Forex while working a 9 to 5. But all of this stuff is important, y'all. But while working a 9 to 5, make sure that you getting enough rest, in that you're not trading when you feel emotional. Don't trade when you feel emotional, because you're going to make emotional decisions even though you don't mean to. I've been in so many trades where it took me in drawdown, and I'm like, oh, I don't want to lose. So I get out prematurely, and then the trade ends up going in my direction anyway, because that's what it was always going to do. But because I was emotional prior to even getting in the trade, I couldn't even allow it to play out. So get in the habit of doing things that balance you out. Don't get consumed with trading. That's another one. When you trying to make it out, don't get consumed with trading. Focus on working your 9 to 5. Focus on compounding your account. Focus on honing in on the strategy that you're using. Focus on not doing the things that's not growing your account. Getting into trades early. Trading outside of your trading session. Focus on what you can focus on to get you where you're trying to go. So, and I hope this video was not too all over the place. Hopefully y'all took notes on those tips, and hopefully that it helps y'all know that working a 9 to 5 is not a bad thing, while being a trader is absolutely not. So don't let anybody make you feel like working a 9 to 5 is a bad thing while being a trader, because at the end of the day, we all grinding and we all do what we have to do when trading is not going good. Okay? Because don't think that these people who've made millions in trading, when don't have a bad month. They absolutely have bad months, but you know what you do? Trading is a resource that you take to make other business opportunities that you want to be involved in, or that you dream of starting for yourself, make happen, so that you can have stable income while you are trading. Okay? So they even though they may not be working a 9 to 5, millionaire traders definitely have another source of income. So don't feel like you have to make trading your only source of income. And that's all I got for y'all.